Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about PageRank. So PageRank is kind of hidden value of every website, and not knowing your PageRank might mean that you will be targeting keywords that are too competitive and that won't give you high chance of getting to page one. So monitoring your PageRank and comparing with PageRank of the websites that rank on page one for the keywords you're interested in is really key. Because if your page rank is, let's say, 21, and you see that the websites on page one, Google page one, have got a page rank of 80, 90, and so on, no matter what you do, no matter how much time you spend on your SEO and how much money you spend on optimizing your website, might mean that you will never get to the top, because Google will on purpose won't show you, because you're not as established, you didn't pass all those tests that those websites passed in order to get this page rank. It doesn't mean that you will never rank on page one for this keyword, but it will take considerably longer. It might even take you a few years if you're a brand new website, if you're not established in your niche and you compete with other huge brands. So much better approach is to monitor PageRank of the websites on page one, and then pick a keyword that attracts websites with the same PageRank as yours. So if you see the keyword that on Google page one has got websites that have got PageRank 30, 40, and your PageRank is 21, it means that you can start optimizing your website, you can start targeting this keyword, because it's much more realistic that you will get to page one. Obviously you will still have to do a little bit better than those websites on page one to obviously add value, be helpful, and so on. So obviously all of those other elements that count towards being on page one. However, page rank is something that we forget to measure, because the usual SEO tools don't really show you your page rank, or don't show you the page rank of the websites in Google. That's why you should really invest in the SEO package that has got it included. So for example, Mouse Pro tool that is included in one of our packages, so SEO monthly package, monitors PageRank, and it really contributes for our clients getting to page one much faster. So if you would like to monitor your PageRank, if you would like to check what is your PageRank, and also the PageRank of the websites competing for the same keyword as yours, you can book a free chat below, and I'll be happy to do that for you. I'll be happy to check your PageRank for you, and obviously give you tips on whether the keyword that you're interested in is worth targeting or not. So go ahead, book your free chat right now, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.